Good morning, students. So let us start our new class of English, and today I will continue with the phonics, that is the sound of the letters from E onwards, right? Last day we learned A, B, C, D, E, and we learned about the sounds of these letters. Very good. I can see many of them have practiced a lot and they have sent me their practice work, activity work also. And it's excellent. I'm going to check it later on. But now we are going to start with the letter sounds. So let us do the revision of the sounds which we have learned in our last class. And it was A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, B, K, D, A, right? Now how we will understand this one and how we will make the matching of the letters with the sound. Ma'am, আপনি তো বলে যাচ্ছেন A টাকে A, B টাকে B, C টাকে K, D টাকে D আর E টাকে A সাউন্ড দিতে, কিন্তু এটা কি করে হয়? এটা হয় না। আপনি আমাদের দেখান কি করে হয়, রাইট? So I told you every time you have to question me why I am teaching you like this. So the answer, because you have not asked me the question, but I am going to give you the answers, and let us find out why it is like that. So here you find out that this is the alphabet A, right? And the sound I told you was A. Now you pronounce A for apple. A for apple. So what you are pronouncing the first letter, that is not apple. You are pronouncing apple. So A. A. So the phonic sound of A is A. Now let us identify the pictures. Can you identify the pictures in this card? Yes, it's axe. Oh, yes. E for axe. A. A. E for ant. E for ant. A. A. E for ant. Right? So here comes two words which are having the first sound A. That means A. Axe, ant, apple. Okay, so these are the sounds of A. That is A. Sound of A is A. Now let's go for the sound of B. Sound of B. So here is your letter B and the sound is B. So let us find out with this B which are the words like ball, B, ball, B. Then after, what is there? Banana, B, banana. So B for ball, that is B, ball. B for banana, that is B, banana. B for balloon, B, balloon. Okay, so the sound of your letter B is B. Now it is clear, students? Now it is clear? Understood? Any confusion regarding the sounds of letters, why we are learning? কাউর কোনো প্রবলেম আছে যেখানে ম্যাম সাউন্ডস আগের ক্লাসে কেন পড়িয়েছিল এখনও বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে? এনিওয়ান? Why I was teaching sound? Everything is clear now? With examples we will learn. Every time you should have some questions for me. So is there any doubt? Clear? Sound is clear? Very good, Sanchan. Sanchan is very clear with the concept. Very good. Anyone having any doubt? Sanchan is not having any doubt. Anyone having any doubt, beta? You can very clearly ask me. Okay, we are going to talk with each other. So let us talk with each other and clear our doubts. If you are having any queries, you can ask me. I will try to solve it out. Okay, very good. Okay, so Shubham is also not having any problems. I hope as any of the student is not responding, rest of the students are not responding. Okay, Shamadrita. So if you are having any problem, please ask me. Okay. Now our letter C. That's K. K. So here comes our K. Cat. K. Cat. Camel. K. Camel. K. Camel. So the sound of C, the sound of letter C gives us what? K. The sound of K. Camel. Camel. Cat. Crow. Crow. Right? So all these are sound of K. So the letter C sounds K. Now let us go for the new sound, that is D. Your letter D sounds D. So what is the sound of this one? D for dog. D for dog. D for duck. D for duck. Now here comes D. 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 Dog. D. Dog. D. Duck. D. Duck. Okay. D. Doll. D. Doll. So the letter D shows or signifies the sound D. 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 Okay. D. D. D for dog. D for duck. D for doll. Okay. So let's go for the new sound, and it's the sound of E, that is A. A. Letter E sounds A. A. And how it is clear? Let us identify these words. Let us identify these words. And what are these? Egg. A. Egg. E for egg. A. Letter E sound is A. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Letter E sound is A. Elephant. A. Elephant. Okay. So here comes the sound A. The sound of E, letter E, is A. Eagle. Eagle. Right? So here comes the different sounds. So here up to A, B, C, D, E we learned. Along with the letter, we learned the small letter, capital letter, we learned the phonic sounds of this letter, we learned the words which are being formed with the first letter along with the sound. Now we are going ahead with our next letters, and today's letters are F, G, H, I, J. So what is the sound of F? Who will tell me what is the sound of F? Maybe many of you can tell me it's F, right? F. So here comes your capital F and here comes your small f. But students, there is a twist, and the letter F does not sound F. It sounds only air, pressure of air comes out between your two lips. তোমার দুটো ঠোঁটের মাঝখান থেকে একটা জোর হাওয়া বেরোবে, জোর হাওয়া বেরোবে। That is the sound of F. That is the sound of F, because it doesn't have any sound, it's a vibration. Okay, it's a vibration. And how we will prove it? Let us identify these two pictures and pronounce this picture. It's F for fan. See, one air is coming out. It's a vibration. তোমার মুখ দিয়ে কিন্তু একটা হাওয়া বের হচ্ছে। F বলার সময় তোমার মুখ দিয়ে একটা হাওয়া বের হচ্ছে। Fan, fan, fan. Right? So it's a yes, it's a vibration. It's the sound which is coming out with your breath. একটা বেলুনকে ফুলিয়ে যখন আমরা ওই বেলুনটাকে ছেড়ে দেব আর কানের সামনে যখন ওই বেলুনটাকে ধরবে দেখবে খুব জোরে প্রেসারে হাওয়া বেরোয়। Okay, that air is coming out with lots of pressure and one sound is being made by at that time. ওই সময় কিন্তু একটা সাউন্ডও বেরোয়। That is the sound of F. That is the sound of F. That is the phonic sound of F. Fan, fan. Fox, fox. Fish, fish. Okay, so these are the sounds of the letter F. Okay, these are the sounds of letter F. Do the practice of it when your class is over. Okay, you have to do lots of practice of this sound so that you can read out any word of this world. If your phonics is very much strong, then you can read any type of word, whatever long, whatever hard word is there, you can pronounce it with the help of sounds. Because letters are nothing but the assemblance of sound. যে কোনো পৃথিবীর যে কোনো ওয়ার্ড তুমি পড়তে পারবে যদি তুমি সাউন্ড ভালো করে শেখো, ফনিক্স ভালো করে শেখো। ওকে, so let's go for the new letter and all of you know what is the letter G. G. So the letter G and the phonic sound of this letter, capital G, small g, and the phonic sound of this letter is G. 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 So here comes your letter G and the phonic sound is G. Now how we will prove it? কি করে বিশ্বাস করি ম্যাম? আপনি গ বলছেন, গই হবে, এটা কি করে বিশ্বাস করব? না 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 না, আমি তো বিশ্বাস করব না, আপনি আমাকে দেখান। So here comes your example. It's G. G. Gate. G. Gate. G for gate. G. G for grapes. G. G for grapes. G. It's not grapes. Grapes pronunciation is totally wrong. যারা grapes বলে তারা কিন্তু ভুল বলে। It's not grapes. It's grapes. Grapes. G. Grapes. Gate. G. Gate. Okay, so here comes the sound G. The letter G has the sound G. G. G for goat. G. Goat. G. Okay. Next, let's go for H. Here comes the letter H. And here is your capital H as well as your small h. And what's that? H. 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 So here the sound of H is H. H for hat. H for house. Hat. Hat. H. Hat. House. H. House. H. House. Okay, so here comes the sound H. H. Your sound for the letter H is H. H. Now let's go for the next one, that is I. I. And what is the sound of I? It's E. 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 Okay. Now, sound of I is E. E. And what are the examples of I? And the examples of I are, let us identify the pictures. And here comes the first picture, that is ink. Ink. E. Ink. Igloo. Igloo. E. Igloo. E. Igloo. Right? Here comes the sound of I. Here comes the sound of I. Igloo. Right? Very good. Now, the next one is J. J. So, here comes your next letter, that is capital J as well as small j. Capital J as well as small j. And what is the sound of J? Yes, it's J. 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 And how we will prove it that the sound of J is J? So let us identify these pictures. Wow, lovely, lovely favorite picture. And now comes J. Jug. Jug. J for jug. J. J for jug. J. J for joker. J. J for joker. J. J for jeep. J. J for jeep. J. Right? So, the sound of letter J is J. J. So, students, today we identified all the letters. We identified the sounds, that is G, H, E, J, F, G, H, I, J. So these are the capital letters, and here comes small f, small g, G, small h, H, small I, E, and small j, that is J. So all of you open your English copy number 1 and everyone will write capital F to J on one page and capital small f to j on another page, and you have to complete these 2 pages as your activity work. Okay, come on. So everyone note down on 2 pages. On one page F, G, H, I, J capital letter, and on the another page 4-line English 1 copy, small f, G, H, I, J, so that you can complete it, and I am going to check it next day. As I am going to check it, these assignments today, after I will leave the class, I will check it, and if there is any problem, I am going to give the feedback in the chat box. So please go through it. Okay? Okay. So students, I hope everyone has understood today what I have taught you. The concept of learning letters and sounds was very clear to all of you, and in our next class we are going to learn at least 5 letters more in our next class. Okay, so then after we have to do lots of activities also. So we are going to meet in our next class. Bye bye.